Did you know that using the wrong tires can increase your braking distance by 20 to 30%? Which means, in an emergency, just a few extra feet could change everything. That's why, in this video, we're looking at 5 of the most recommended all-season tires to help you stay confident and in control no matter what the weather throws at you. Before we get started, a quick reminder, you'll find links to every product in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Michelin Cross Climate 2. Many standard all-season tires lose grip when the weather gets truly bad. Dry roads are fine, but in heavy rain or winter conditions, traction becomes a real concern. The Michelin Cross Climate 2 solves that with year-round safety built into its design. It delivers confident braking on wet, dry, and snowy roads without giving up tread life. At around $289 per tire, it's a premium option, but one that pays off in peace of mind. Better performance in every season, a comfortable ride, and a strong load capacity make it a smart choice for drivers who refuse to compromise on safety, no matter the weather. Number 2. Bridgestone Turanza All-Season 6. Touring tires often struggle with wet traction and rolling resistance, causing noise and reduced fuel efficiency over time. The Bridgestone Turanza All-Season 6 addresses that with a polymer rubber compound and expertly designed shoulder lugs that quickly push water away from the tread. Double-angle 3D sipes deliver dependable grip in unpredictable conditions. It is a premium tire, priced around $465, but it rewards you with a comfortable, quiet drive and improved fuel savings. If you want top touring comfort with reliable all-season confidence, this tire offers long-term value and performance, perfect for highway travelers and daily commuters alike. Number 3. Continental All-Season Contact 2. Some all-season tires either save fuel or improve grip, but not both. Continental's All-Season Contact 2 enhances efficiency by reducing rolling resistance while still maintaining reliable traction. It's engineered to help your vehicle feel lighter and more responsive, especially during long drives. At around $193, the pricing is reasonable for a tire designed to balance comfort, safety, and eco-friendly performance. If you're looking to improve mileage without sacrificing year-round control, this Continental tire is a practical upgrade that works well for many vehicles and everyday road conditions. Number 4. Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3. Road noise and uneven traction can make long drives tiring and uncomfortable. The Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 fights both issues with advanced tread technology. Longitudinal and lateral siping create extra biting edges for confident grip year-round. Meanwhile, Pirelli's noise-canceling system and pitch sequencing reduce cabin noise for a smooth, quiet ride. Certain sizes even feature seal-inside technology, helping the tire hold air pressure after a puncture. Priced around $317, it's a premium option geared toward comfort and safety. A great tire for drivers who want strong steering response and a peaceful driving experience in any season. Number 5. Goodyear Assurance All-Season. Budget all-season tires sometimes struggle with noise and inconsistent grip on wet roads. Goodyear Assurance All-Season improves that with a patented tread pattern for a more comfortable and quiet ride. The fuel-saving tread compound delivers traction in rain, dry conditions, light snow, even icy surfaces. A specially formulated rubber reduces rolling resistance, helping save fuel and support eco-friendly driving. And with an optimized contact area, tread life remains dependable over time. At around just $118, this tire provides excellent value for everyday drivers who want solid performance without stretching their wallet. Every tire on this list can keep you moving, as long as it fits your vehicle and supports the way you drive. Which one would you trust on your car? Comment below with your top 2 picks, and tell me what you want reviewed next. If this helped you make a better decision, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more real-world auto care reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep driving with confidence.